So every time someone clicks your affiliate link and buys the product, you get paid $154 in commission. Not once, every single time. And the best part? You don't need your own product. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need to spend money on ads. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a completely free traffic strategy that can bring in clicks on autopilot. This isn't some overused method everyone is doing. Most people are still ignoring this, which is exactly why it's working right now. So if you've been struggling to get traffic or make your first commission, watch closely. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. Let's jump into my screen and get started. The first step is to head over to ClickBank. Once you're inside the marketplace, you'll see a bunch of top-selling products that are currently paying around $150 per sale. Now for this video, we're going to promote a product called Provident, which is a dental supplement. So just go up here, search for Provident, and you'll see it pop up right here. This is actually a newer product that's already selling like crazy. If you look at the gravity score, you can see around 48 affiliates are already making sales with it. And each time someone buys through your link, you're earning about $154 in commission. Now before we promote anything, let's quickly check out the sales page. So click on the product, and as you can see, it's a dental supplement, and the page looks clean and professional. This part is important. You want to spend a few minutes going through the page, understanding the problem it solves, and how it's positioned, because that's going to make the next steps way easier when it comes to getting clicks and conversions. All right, next step. Let's head over to the affiliate page. This part is important because this is where you get all the marketing materials you'll need to promote the product properly. So once you're here, go to the resources section, then click on creatives. And inside, you'll find things like animated GIFs, images, and other assets you can use in your promotions. This basically saves you a ton of time because you don't have to create everything from scratch. Now the real question is, how do you actually get people to click your affiliate link and buy? That's exactly what I'm going to show you next. We're going to use an AI tool called Clipwise, which basically lets you create full viral style videos just from a simple idea. You don't need to edit. You don't need to record your voice, and you don't even need to film anything. You just give it a prompt, and it automatically creates the script, visuals, voiceover, and captions for you, all in one video ready to post. It's specifically designed for short-form content like Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So you can create faceless videos, UGC-style ads, or product promos in minutes. And the best part is, you can create multiple variations of videos fast, which means more chances to go viral and get clicks to your affiliate link. So let me show you exactly how to use this step by step. First, head over to Clipwise. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you'll land on, and this is where everything happens. This is where you can create viral style videos just from a simple prompt. If you scroll down, you'll see different AI video styles to choose from, like UGC talking head, viral selfie, story style videos, and more. Now for this method, we're going to use the dentist style video. Because our product is related to dental, so this makes the content feel more natural, more believable, and way more likely to convert. Next, this is where you are going to write a prompt for the video. Now instead of trying to come up with a script from scratch, we're going to make this a lot easier. Remember the affiliate resources I showed you earlier? That's exactly what we're going to use here. Because inside those resources, you'll find something called email swipes. And these are basically pre-written promotional emails designed to sell the product, which means they already contain the angles, hooks, and messaging that's proven to convert. So instead of guessing what to say, we're going to take those email swipes and turn them into short-form video scripts using AI. So head over to the affiliate resources, then go to email swipes and click access. This is where you'll find a bunch of high-converting email scripts that are already designed to sell the product. Open it up and just copy the content. Now head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. The next step is to turn this into a short video script. And for that, you'll need a simple prompt. But don't worry, you don't have to write this yourself. I've already created the exact prompt for you. Just click the link in the description, and it'll take you to a Google Doc where you can copy the prompt and use it instantly. So I'm going to copy this prompt, paste it in here, and let's see what it gives us. All right, as you can see, the script is ready. Now just copy this and head back over to Clipwise. Paste the script in. Set the duration to around 30 seconds, choose a style. I'm going with explainer, and then hit generate. Now this is where it gets interesting, because Clipwise doesn't just create the video instantly. It actually takes you into an AI chat style interface where it builds your video step by step, almost like you're chatting with it. It will generate the scenes, visuals, voiceover, and captions right in front of you, and you can tweak anything along the way before finalizing the video. Alright, next it's going to ask you to choose a voiceover. So just click Next. You'll see a bunch of voices here. You can preview them to see which one fits your video best.
In the theater of life, we are all actors sharing the same.
Our distrust is very expensive.
I'm going to go with this one and hit Confirm. Now it'll ask you to generate the scenes, so go ahead and click Next. This usually takes a few seconds, and once it's done, your scenes will be ready. Let's hit play.
What if cavities aren't from brushing? There's a sticky film on your teeth feeding bacteria non-stop, even if you brush twice.
Now, one thing to keep in mind, what you're seeing right now are just animated scenes. But if you want, there's also an option to turn all of this into a more realistic video style instead of animations. So you can test both and see which one performs better for your content. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on Convert Images to Video, and let's see how it turns out.
Stop brushing your teeth like this. You might be making it worse. Cavities aren't just from brushing less. The real issue is biofilm, a sticky bacterial layer deep around teeth and gums.
Alright, and as you can see, this looks way more realistic now. The scenes feel more like actual footage instead of animations, which makes the video more engaging and believable. This is perfect for platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok, because it blends in with normal content and doesn't look like a typical ad. Alright, now the next step is simple. You want to create an Instagram account just like this, focused around your niche, in this case, dental or health-related content. Then start posting consistently. Aim for at least 2 to 3 reels every single day, because the more content you put out, the higher your chances of going viral and getting clicks. Now here's the important part. Make sure you add your affiliate link in your bio. So whenever someone watches your videos and wants to learn more, they can click the link and land directly on the product page. And that's how you start getting sales. So stay consistent with posting, test different videos, and let the algorithm do its thing. Now let's talk pricing. They offer 3 pricing plans. The first one is the starter plan, which is $10 per month. This gives you up to 40 videos per month, so it's perfect if you're just getting started. Next is the creator plan, which is $20 per month. This is the best value option because you can create up to 200 videos per month. Plus, you get premium videos, voice cloning, and more credits. And finally, there's the business plan at $32 per month. This is built for scaling. You get up to 625 videos per month, with higher limits and more output overall. So if you want to grow faster and post consistently, the creator plan is a solid choice. But if you're just testing things out, the starter plan is more than enough to begin. And if you want to create these kinds of videos fast without editing or recording anything, make sure to check out Clipwise. I've left the link in the description. Go try it out and start creating your first videos today.